Assalamu alaikum, my wonderful viewers. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hajia Nimon to Fombia, and I welcome you to Fombia Designs. Today I'm going to teach you how I make this wonderful auto gele that people have been asking me how did I make it. It was very beautiful, and a lot of people were asking how do I make it. So today I'm going to teach all my subscribers, and if you are not yet my subscriber, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Isn't that you are missing a lot? A lot is missing you. If you don't want a lot to miss you, then you rather subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So we are going to use this ashoke. I'll be using this ashoke to demonstrate how I make this wonderful auto gele. So we will start with the base, okay? I will start teaching you the base. So this video is going to be part 1 and part 2. The part 1 is for the base, and the part 2 is for the frame and the rest, okay? So please, if you have watched this part 1 and you have not watched the part 2, go in and watch the part 2, and so that you not get missed, okay? You will not miss the things. You understand it well. Okay, let's get into today's video. Thank you. So now we are starting with the base. So the base, I'm using 23 inches. Okay, you can use 20 inches, 22 inches, or 23 inches. You can use that. So but I'm making use of 23 inches, but before I finish it will be less than 23 inches. So I'm going to cut 23 inches 2 times. Okay, 23 inches 2. So I'll have it like this. This is my 23 inches. So this is it. So this one, I'll go on my sewing machine, then I'll sew this one to it like this. I'll put this one on top of each other like this, then I'll sew it, and it will be in one piece. Then I will also measure 15 inches by 2. I'm going to measure 15 inches by 2. Also now I've cut the 15 inches. This one is 15 inches, but I've cut 4 of them. I have 4 of the 15 inches. So I'm going to join it like this. This one will join this one to be 1. Okay, I'll join these two, making it 1. I will use this one for the pleated front, okay? So this one too, I'm going to join it like this, then I'll pleat it. So after I pleated it, that's going to be the V shape for the front, okay, like this. And don't forget the 23 inches we cut will be on top of this one, okay? That will be for the back. So right now, let's go on the machine, okay? Let's go to the sewing machine, then I will demonstrate it well for you. You understand it better there. So as you can see, I'm just joining all my pieces together. I'm just joining them. So after joining them, then I will start my pleat. So I started folding 1 inch So the fold that I'm making right now is 1 inch fold inside at the wrong side, okay? So after I finish folding it, you can see the line or the thread, okay? I'm going to fold my second pleat to cover the thread. I'll fold my second pleat to cover the thread just like this, then I will sew it down. So as you can see, I finished with the second pleat. So the third pleat will also cover the line of the second pleat, I mean the thread, okay? That's how you'll be making the pleat. You'll be just folding it, line the first one will the second one will lie on and cover the first thread, and the second one too you make the pleat to cover the thread. As I'm sewing, you can see the thread, but if I'm to make the pleat, I'll make sure it covers the thread so that you will not see the thread, won't be visible. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. So you can see this is the place where I joined the two of them. So I'm going to take the next pleat so that the next pleat will cover the both thread and the sewing, okay, so that it will not be visible. You see how I'm doing it? Just look at the way I'm doing it and just do the same. So I will do this until I get to the end of my shoke. So this is what I'll be doing till I think I get 6 pleats from this. You can use only one. This one, the reason why I joined the two, I make it two because I wanted the pleat to be plenty. I wanted to achieve 6 pleats. So if I want to achieve 6 pleats, only one cannot give me that 6 pleats. I can even only manage to get 4. So as you can see, we are on the last one, on the last pleat. So this is the last pleat. So now we are finished. As we have finished this one, I'm going to join this one too. Remember the 15 inches, we cut it 4 times. 2 for the other side and 2 for the other side. So we have finished the second one too. As you can see, we have finished both pleats. So now we are going to cross it like this. Please pay attention to what I'm doing. Just pay attention and look at what I'm doing and just do the same and you will achieve it. Can you see how I made it? So don't make it like this, okay? This is the wrong way. So just do it, cross it like this, then you sew it down. As you can see, I've finished with it. So now we are coming to join the 23 inches. We are coming to join the 23 inches down. So after I finish joining the 23 inches, I look for the middle of the 23 inches and also the middle of my V-shape band. My V-shape band, okay? So you see that's the middle. Then you put it together. You put it together like this. Then you sew it down. So we are just going to attach it with the 23 inches, and that will be our base. So after we finish joining it like this, we cut the excess. Okay, you see there is some excess there. We cut it off. So we are going to fold the side. We will fold it 2 times, then we'll sew it down. We'll do the same thing to the other side. As you can see, we have finished our base, but you can see my base, I didn't attach anything at the back to tie it down, so I will be putting on my vacuum. Is it some call it vacuum or plaster? I don't know how you call it in your own way. So this is how it is. So you can see on my right, the place that is facing where my my right hand is, that's where I am touching the one that is like a stick, or I don't know how to call it. So where it is very the other one, the other side. So the vacuum has 2 sides that you play. It is just like a plaster. Then you place you put them together. So you see this one. This one is the one that is very ruffle, like a foam, or I don't know how to call it. You can see how rough it is. So that's the one that I will be putting this. So I just cut some pieces just to put it so that it will be when you turn the vacuum or the plaster at the back, the shoke will be there. So you can see I finished sewing it down. So I'll just cut the excess. Look at how it is. It's very nice. So I'm going to use that one. I'll turn this side like this, the left side like this, then I'll put it on it. Okay, then I'll sew it just like the way I sew this one. I make sure I sew it tight so that anytime it will be okay on the head. As you can see, I just sew it down just like the way I sew the other side. And now look at it. You see the reason why I didn't put some of the ashoke on the other side, because this one will wrap on over this one. You see how it is. So our base is done. Let's put it on on a head, mannequin head. Then we see how it looks. Okay. So this is my mannequin head. I'm trying to tie it on it. So the one up, you just pull it down like this. Then you put this one on it like this, so that it will be easy to tie it down. You see what I'm doing? Okay. So you put this one wrap on it and you are done. Hey, how do you look at it right now? How do you see it? Our base is done, so now we just move to the next level. So please watch the part 2 and see how I make the frame, the printed frame and the fan on it. So you can see this is our base. Our base is done. Okay, bye bye for now. Bye. But don't forget to like, subscribe my videos. Okay, like and subscribe to my YouTube videos. Thank you.